Bird and Kip, Episode 48, Bird's New Tree. Bird found a tree in the south. She hung up her bag. Then she started to build a nest. Soon a breeze blew through the tree. Bird's bag swung upside down, and Kip's lucky acorn fell out. Bonk!
Ouch!
Said Bird.
Kip, please be careful with...
Bird looked up.
Oh, silly me.
She said.
Kip isn't here.
Bird picked up Kip's lucky acorn. She started to feel a little sad. Kip was sad too.
I miss Bird,
He said.
I'm not looking forward to winter anymore.
Suddenly, bonk,
My lucky acorn!
said Kip. He looked up.
Bird, you flew back!
He cried.
I thought birds flew south for the winter. Other birds do that.
Said Bird.
I would rather stay right here. With your friend?
Said Kip.
No,
Said Bird.
with my best friend.